Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, clippers and trimmers for beginner barbers. Now you might be thinking, oh, I need all these fancy clippers and trimmers to become a barber. But guess what? You really don't. In fact, you only need these four clippers/trimmers. Mainly, you will need these four clippers for 1. Debulking most of the hair is a process which I call skimming when it comes to afro hairstyles. Second, fading. 3. Precision fading. 4. Outlining or shaving. So let's dive into the four must-have clippers and trimmers for any beginner barber. First up, we have the Wall 5-Star Clipper. This is a great all-around clipper for beginners. It's affordable, reliable, and can handle a variety of hair types. It's a versatile tool that will help you get started on your barbering journey. You can go cordless or wired based on your budget. Next, we have the Detachable Blade Clipper. Now, this can be either your very old school classic 76 Oster, or if you want to spend some extra cash, you can go for the cordless 76 Professional, or maybe the Oster Octane ECT. You could also go for another option, but a different brand, which is the Andes Excel Wired Clipper, or Andes Super ZR Cordless Clipper. Let's just say these clippers are a bit more expensive, but it's a fantastic investment for any beginner barber. They are durable, powerful, and can handle a wide range of hair types. They are a great choice for those who want to take their barbering skills to the next level. Third on our list is the Oster Fast Feed Clipper. This is another great option for beginners. It's affordable, reliable, and can handle a variety of hair types. In my own opinion, this is one of the clippers you will love the most because it is the one you use to refine the fade when it gets to a certain part of the haircut. It's a versatile tool that will help you get started on your barbering journey. Also, Andes have similar types, but again, choose based on your price point. Finally, we have the Andes T Outliner. This is a must-have for any beginner barber. It's a great tool for creating clean lines and shapes. It's affordable, reliable, and can handle a variety of hair types. So there you have it. These are the four must-have clippers and trimmers for any beginner barber. Always remember, it's not about the number of clippers you have or how fancy they are. It's all about whether they get the job done. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.